Feel the rhythm? It's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
Right now, one of the biggest conversations in Jamaican YouTube culture is the situation between Colaz Smith and Knife Ninja JA. And whether people want to admit it or not, this controversy is bringing even more attention to Knife Ninja's channel. Because on YouTube, we know drama changes everything. Now, before anybody misunderstands what I'm saying, listen carefully. I'm not saying Knife Ninja started controversy just for views, but I'm saying situations like this sometimes push a creator's channel to a completely different level. Because once people become emotionally invested in conversations like these, then these stories tend to just do well over time. Now, think about it. The moment viewers sense tension, disagreement, or possible fallout, everybody starts talking. People flood the comment section, reaction channels jump in, TikTok clips start circulating, and suddenly the algorithm starts pushing everybody involved. Now, in this current season between Colaz and Knife Ninja, most people are paying attention to Knife Ninja than ever before. And whether the attention is positive or negative, it's still attention. But here's the interesting part. Sometimes controversy can grow a channel faster than regular content because YouTube runs heavily on curiosity and emotion. Viewers want to know what really happened. Who is right? Who changed? Is there hidden tension? And once people start asking questions, they keep clicking. That's why the entire situation may actually be helping Knife Ninja's visibility online. His name keeps circulating. People keep discussing him, and the more your name stays active online, the more YouTube starts recommending your content to new audiences. Now, let me make this clear. I'm not here to tear anybody down. I actually want to see all Jamaican creators succeed. But we also have to understand how social media works today. Controversy creates curiosity. Curiosity creates clicks, and clicks create growth. So whether the situation was intentional or not, Knife Ninja's channel is definitely receiving more attention because of it. And sometimes, attention alone can change everything for a creator. But what do you think? Do you think this controversy is helping Knife Ninja grow online? Or do you think viewers are reading too deeply into the situation? Comment below and subscribe to CCN World TV News because we're on the road to 8,000 subscribers. See you in the next video.